Meaning of daikon. Daikon. Daikon.
Daikon. Daikon. Daikon is a type of white radish commonly used in Asian cuisine. Its name comes from Japanese, where dai means large and kon means root. Daikon has a crisp texture and a mild, slightly sweet taste. It is often shredded or grated and served as a garnish or condiment for sushi, sashimi, or pickle dishes. In Chinese cuisine, daikon is often boiled with other ingredients to make soup or stew. Additionally, daikon is believed to have health benefits, including aiding digestion and promoting weight loss.